In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in HubSpot CRM. If you're keeping track of sales conversations, support follow-ups, or quick check-ins, having your calls logged in one place helps you stay organized and gives your team visibility. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your HubSpot account and have the right permissions to view and add call activity. It also helps to have your call details handy, especially if you're bringing in a list of past calls. Start by going to the left-hand navigation and clicking on CRM, then select Calls. This takes you to the Calls page, which shows a list of the calls you've already logged to HubSpot. Think of this as your central call timeline. You'll typically see details like who the call was with, when it happened, its duration, and any notes or outcomes tied to that interaction. This view is helpful for confirming that your activity is being captured and for quickly scanning what's been done and what might need attention next. To add more call records at once, look toward the top right and click Import. Importing is perfect when you're catching up on a backlog, moving data from another system, or standardizing how your team records calls. When you open the import options, you can bring in call log data using a file, or you can choose to sync with apps that automatically log calls for you. If you go the file route, a simple spreadsheet works well. Keep your columns clean and consistent with the essentials you want to track, such as the contact's email or phone number, the date and time of the call type, duration, and a short summary or outcome. Using a standard date format and the correct time zone will help everything line up correctly. Make sure the contacts you're referencing already exist in your CRM, or include enough identifying information so HubSpot can associate the call with the right record. Clean, well-labeled data saves time and prevents mismatches. If you choose to sync with apps, this option streamlines things by letting connected calling tools log activity in the background. It's great for teams that live on the phone and want their records consistently up to date. Just keep in mind your organization's privacy and compliance practices when syncing activity from external tools, and only bring in what's necessary for your workflow. And there you go. By navigating to CRM, selecting calls, and using the Import button to add call data from a file or through connected apps, you'll keep your call history accurate and accessible. That's all.